Welcome to Baking with Soosi Treatz. Let's get to it. Before this video starts, let's hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. There are two types of marble cakes that you can make. First, you'll need to separate your batters, so you'll have one color and your other color. Then you will need to put one glob, leaving a space in between so that you can fill that space with the other flavor or color of your desired cake. Now you want to repeat the same steps until your cake liner is filled, as you see. It doesn't matter how the globs look, just as long as you have such a type of pattern that you are using. So I did chocolate, white, and then vice versa. And as you see, voila, you have a marble cake. And all you have to do is icing it up and you're ready for dessert. In the next clip, you will see a demonstration on how to make another type of marble cake. I don't know, some people might call it like tiger stripe cake or something, but it's still a marble cake. So you just fill your pan up with your cake batter, and you want to swirl a fork through it various ways, and voila, this is what you have, a second type of marble cake. Thanks for watching and baking with Soosi Treatz. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up.